South Dakota Legislature gathered today to wrap up the last of 3 joint sessions, hearing from different leaders in the government.
Today, lawmakers heard from Mike Faith, the chairman of the Standing Rock Sioux Tribe. State House reporter Austin Goss live with more on today's State of the Tribes address in Pierre. And Austin, good evening.
Good evening, Brian and Sam. That's right. Chairman Faith addressed the legislature today after what has been a very rough year for Native American reservations due to COVID. However, he pitched a message of unity and a way forward. The legislature convened to hear the words of Chairman Faith, who conveyed unity to both chambers in attendance.
It's time to look for partnerships. How can we help each other? I sometimes the dependency that should be there isn't there. Lack of funds, our new people coming and going.
Faith also spoke to some of the challenges that the reservations face in keeping people in essential jobs, such as education, law enforcement, and healthcare on tribal land.
College students that went to Harvard, we got doctors, we got lawyers, but without good facilities, good paying, unfortunately, other people grab them.
State Senator Troy Heinert says that this legislative session, he hopes to see Native American needs prioritized. He believes that will happen in many ways.
I think, just having tribes be eligible for the same grants and resources that we provide other communities in South Dakota, that would be a huge start. Chairman Faith talked about cooperation and working together, and that's an issue that isn't a heavy lift. We just need to always include tribal people and tribal communities in those application processes.
Legislators are working with a major budget surplus this year due to federal COVID funds. It remains to be seen how much of that money will go back to Native American tribes. In Pierre, Austin Goss, Dakota News Now.
Austin, thank you. Dakota News Now is your source for State House 2021 coverage. State House reporter Austin Goss will have live reports every day during the session. Make sure you follow him on Twitter as well, @AustinGoss.